Hello, students. I would like to welcome you all on the first lecture of your chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting. Students, accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information to the users. Today we will going to discuss some important concept that includes definition of accounting and what is accounting, its use in business, how it is related to money, what is the process. So first of all we will going to discuss meaning of accounting. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants and Chartered Accountant of India define accounting in a different way. Accounting is an art of recording, identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. What do you mean by identifying here? First of all, we need to understand this. So, here it means identification of financial transaction and events. Accounting records only those transactions and events which can be measured in the terms of money. This involves identifying transaction and event that are part of economic activity. For an example, purchase of raw material or sale of finished goods by firm, such transactions are identified with the help of bill and receipts as evidence of transactions. Now, what do you mean by measuring here? Here it means measuring the identified transaction. Accounting measures the transaction and event in the term of a common measurement unit, that is the currency of country. In other words, financial transaction and events are measured in the term of money. It means an event which cannot be measured in the terms of money is not recorded in the books of accounts. Let us take an example. Event like a quality of management team or appointment of a manager are not recorded in the books of accounts. Now the third term is recording. Accounting is an art of recording business transaction in the books of accounts. Recording is a process of recording business transaction of financial character in the books of original entry, that is called journal. This book is further subdivided into subsidiary books such as cash book, cash journal for recording cash transaction, purchase journal or purchase book for recording credit purchases of goods, sales journal or sales book for recording credit sales, etc. Now the next term is classifying. Classification is the process of grouping transaction or entries of one nature at one place. The transaction recorded in journal or a subsidiary book are classified or posted to the main book of account known as ledger. This book consists individual account head under which all financial transactions of a similar nature are collected. For example, in Rahul's account in the ledger, all business transactions related to Rahul only are posted so that what is ultimately due to Rahul or due from Rahul can be ascertained. Now the next term is summarizing. This involves presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful for internal as well as external users of accounting statements. This process leads to the preparation of the some documents or some statements like trial balance, trading profit and loss account in and balance sheet. Now the next term is interpreting. Analysis and interpretation Analysis and interpretation of financial data are carried out so that the users of financial data can make a meaningful judgment of the profitability and the financial position of the business. This helps in planning for the future in a better way. Now, our last term is communicating. Finally, the accounting function involves communicating the financial data, that is, financial statement, to its users. The accounting information must be provided in the time of presented to the user so that appropriate decision may be taken at the right time. So, all these elements involved in the meaning of accounting. Now we can say that accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in a term of money, transaction and event which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Thank you so much.